In this guide, I'll present a method to optimize workflow and enhance the visual appeal of data presentations. Despite the text not being visible within the cell initially, upon selecting an option from the drop-down menu list, the cell will dynamically display a specific color corresponding to the selected mode. Let's begin. For this table, we have 3 modes of shipment. We want to get rid of typing in this column again and again, so we will create for it a drop-down menu list. First, select the whole column, go to the Data tab and select the Data Validation. Choose the list, then select the 3 ship modes for source. Then press OK. Here, we have a drop-down list where we can easily select the mode. It's a time-saving operation and also helps in accuracy in Excel. Now, again, select the complete column of this table. In the Home tab, go to the Conditional Formatting. Choose the new rule, then select a rule type. For this purpose, select the format only cells that contain. In the Below section, choose the Equal to, then in the adjacent box, start typing with an equal sign. Type first class between inverted commas. Click on Format. Choose the font color. It will be the same as the cell color. In this way, we have only colored cells because the text will not be visible in this way. Afterward, come to the fill. Here, select the same color, now press OK. See, when we click on the first class from the drop-down list, the text does not appear with color. We will follow the same procedure for other modes as well. By following these steps, we'll streamline our data entry process and improve the visual clarity of our spreadsheet.